I took that image this morning. Here I was walking down York Street, wondering what to put on the slide, and there on one of those street screens was the answer. Here is an image for the new McCrispy, and you can see the image of McDonald's down the bottom. Now, McDonald's are a sophisticated organisation. You'd have to agree with that. They're sophisticated in protecting their intellectual property and also in not infringing anyone else's. So they take every form of protection possible. What should you do to protect your intellectual property, particularly names? Well, you must, number one, register it as a business name or a company name with the Australian Companies Office, which is called ASIC. Number two, register it as a domain name with a domain name registry, such as the .com.au registry, or a lot of people just like the .com registry. Gives a little bit greater protection. And as what's called a trademark with IP Australia. Trademark, TM, you put TM behind the wording, and when it's registered, you can add little r, an R with a little circle. Registration protects against competitors not only using the same name or a logo or something similar. I should say registration as a trademark is pretty much essential if you're going to get protection for things like, well, have a look on the right. What do you think McDonald's can protect? For a start, the word McCrispy. It's a made-up word, not part of the English language until now. They can protect the word McCrispy. Have a look at the way it's written. It's stylized. That means it can be protected as a logo, not only just the words. If you look at the top of the Y at McCrispy, there's a little circle. There's a little R inside it. They have registered it as a trademark. Now, our next big thing, I don't think that's registrable because it's not distinctive. We'll have a look at that in a minute. And you'll see there's no little R after the G in thing. So I think McDonald's agrees with us. Down the bottom is the famous McDonald's logo. That is protected as a trademark logo. And a whole lot of variations are protected as trademark logos. If you look up McDonald's logo on IP Australia, you'll find page after page of McDonald's trademark registrations. So what do we learn from this? A distinctive name and distinctive logos give best protection. The distinctive name, McCrispy, a distinctive logo, the M for the golden arches for McDonald's. Now, McDonald's are masters, so you can learn a lot from just looking at that particular ad. And I'm sure they're trying to figure out a way of protecting the image of the crispy filling and the lettuce on top. They can certainly protect the image, but whether they can protect the way it's made and try to patent the way it's made, I imagine they would. There's a lot of intellectual property in that particular image. Would you agree?